I'm the proud head teacher of Langdale Primary School, a school in the heart of the Clayton and Westlands community in Newcastle-Under-Lyme. We're also proud to say that we are a part of the Creative Learning Partnership Trust, and this allows us to work collaboratively and share resources, but offering us a wealth of expertise to work with across our school. Our school is set in beautiful grounds, and we hope that this video offers you a glimpse of what we offer as a school and what our early years is all about. If you are interested in an early years place at Langdale Primary School, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01782 948 000, and we look forward to meeting new families as they start their learning journey.
Hello and welcome to Langdale Early Year Foundation Stage. My name is Mrs Ray and I have the pleasure of being the Assistant Head and Early Years Foundation Stage Lead. Here at Langdale we pride ourselves on having high quality and engaging provision with excellent nurturing relationships and environments. At Langdale, we place great importance on early education. Pupils can start their learning journey with us from the age of 2 and 3 in our Little Learners, progressing on to full-time nursery led by a fully qualified teacher, and then on to our dual entry reception classes. The early years often come together for key events and special occasions, and this means our children really get a sense of being part of our school family. Staff across the early years have a wealth of experience and qualifications, which allows us to deliver quality first education across Little Learners, Early Explorers Nursery and Reception. We have designed a progressive and purposeful early years curriculum, which supports all learners to develop and grow from their own individual starting points in a caring and enabling environment. We believe every child is an exceptional individual, and we celebrate and respect differences within our school community by building positive relationships with children and families. Throughout our early years foundation stage, we believe in broadening children's experiences by providing opportunities to try new things and encourage them to relish new challenges. Our provision allows children to take risks, explore and problem solve, helping children to reach their potential as active and curious learners. We ensure that our direct teaching and facilitating of children's learning encompasses and weaves through the 7 key areas of learning, so as not to miss opportunities to develop the whole child. At Langdale, we foster a love of indoor and outdoor learning, where we deliver a curriculum which builds on the characteristics of effective learning and children's own interests. Our daily timetable allows children to learn indoors and outdoors, making choices about how they learn and where they wish to learn. Throughout the early years, we develop children who will be confident, independent and engaged learners who strive to attain their own goals, fostered through their positive experiences. Children build firm foundations for learning in our early years, which will support them in all areas of the national curriculum as they move to Key Stage 1 at the end of their reception year. Our purposeful, engaging indoor and outdoor environments inspire curiosity in our learners and allow them to be creative, imaginative and critical thinkers. We believe strongly in working in partnership with parents and families and offer many opportunities for them to join us in the wonderful activities and events we hold. We invite you to come and visit our setting and join us on our journey to becoming champions.